Hey guys, it's Mist, and today I'm going to be showing you a barrel shifter I made a little while ago. Now this barrel shifter right here is compatible with Minecraft Bedrock and Java, and I'll be supplying world downloads to both versions. And then a Lightmatic code to only Java, sorry Bedrock guys, but I can only provide you a world. But let's go ahead and have a look at this. And so, it's quite simple really. You have your input here and your output. Now from this point to this point it takes 4 ticks to do the operation, no matter how many shifts or whatever, because the good thing about a barrel shifter is it always does things in constant time. At least with these designs it's always constant no matter what. So let's say I put in the number 5 with no shift. Well, we get the number 5 out in 4 ticks. Now, let's go ahead and do 5, but we'll shift it by 3. So we put 2 and 1 on to get a shift of 3, and you'll notice that the number here has shifted 3 spots over. And there it is. So if you do 3 shifts, that's the equivalent of multiplying 5 times 8, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. And so if we look at this output, we're getting 8 plus, or actually no, I'm sorry, it's 40, not 20. Man, I'm so bad, guys. Yeah, 5 times 8 would be 40, so we would get 32 plus 8 to get 40. And yeah, you could change, you can have it locked into that shift, and as you can see, the number is just always shifted over. Let's go ahead and do another one. I'll just have 1 on this time. Oh right, it shifted. That tripped me. Let's go ahead and shift it all the way 7 by 7. We'll do a shift of 7, and as you can see, the bit is all the way at the end. Now there is a situation where the data can get cut off, and sometimes you don't want to do that. So when you're dealing with data such as that, what you do is you click the rotate, and what the rotate does is it takes the numbers that were cut off and shifts them over here. So now you can actually rotate the bits around, and if I did another shift, like let's say we did a shift of 5, you'll see that one of the numbers just rotated around back. And you know, for certain algorithms this might be actually very, very useful. So yeah, the rotate's good. A very good use for the rotate is when you just want to take a number and you basically want to downshift it. So I might not present the best example for this, but let's go ahead and look at like 10. The number 10. So if I took the number 10 and I used the rotate and all these on, you'll see it now turns to 5 because the data, essentially the 0 right here goes all the way over here, and then that 10 becomes a 5. So whenever you're doing a rotate and you want to basically take data and truncate it, what you'll have to do is you'll have to disable this last bit, and then that would count as a right shift. So yeah, just keep that in mind. So this is the barrel shifter in Java edition. Now I'm going to go ahead and head over to the Bedrock world and show you that it works exactly the same way. Alright guys, here we are in Minecraft Bedrock. As you can see by my movement, it's not smooth at all. It's just kind of... it's different. It's different, that's for sure. Yeah, anyways, I'll show you that it works in Bedrock edition as well. There's my avatar. So weird. But I think it was alright. Anyways, so let's say I input like the number 9. Well, you see the number 9 isn't currently being shifted right now, but if we wanted to, let's say, do 9 times 4, you shift it over 4 times. And there you go, the data is now shifted. I can show you it updates like that. And that right there would be the output. Well, did I shift it by 4? Oh yeah, because that's not 9 times 4, that's 9 times 16. My bad. Yeah, no, it's so this would be 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So yeah, we're multiplying 9 by 16 here. And that's kind of the use of a barrel shifter. You could just do quick multiplications, or you could do bit manipulation of all kinds. Let's go ahead and just shift it all the way so you can see how it truncates data. There you go. And let's say you wanted to save that data, rotate. And now if you disabled that final bit, that is equal to a right shift. So yeah, this barrel shifter, it can do a max left shift of 7, but it can also do a right shift of 1. So that's its use. Now, if you wanted to extract the functions from this left shift but have it for the right shift, all you have to do is you can mirror this and put it on the other side of the bus. That's one way to do it. Or B, what you can do is you can create a way to take the output and multiplex it between having it as the little endian form or the big endian. So basically, if it was little endian, this would be like 1, 2, 4, 8. If it was big endian, the 1 would start here. So yeah, you could just basically flip the bits or mirror the output, and that'll also do the exact operation you want. Although you're gonna also want to make sure that your input number gets flipped and unflipped in a certain way. So to be fair, I just recommend you mirror the machine. You could do this using a structure block, I think. You can do rotations and stuff. So I'm sure you could figure that out. So let's do some more examples. There you go. 15 divided by 2 without the remainder is 7 as a truncated. So yeah. I think for most computational builds, this is plenty good. And yeah, like I said, world downloads in the description. I hope you'll enjoy it. And I'll see you with another project.
Oh.